doing today? Good? Amazing. We're going to get started and we are going to read some books all about animals. Let's start with farm animals. Ooh. Chicken. What noise does a chicken make? Cluck, 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 cluck. Sheep. What noise does a sheep make? Ba, ba. Dog. What sound does a dog make? Woof, 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 woof. Goat. What sound does a goat make? Bleep, bleep. Duck. Oh, look at the little ducky. What sound does a duck make? Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Cow. Ooh, look at this cow. What sound does a cow make? Moo. Moo. Ooh, we've got a donkey. What sound does a donkey make? Eeyore, eeyore. Horse. What sound does a horse make? Neigh, neigh. Oh, we're almost at the end now. Turkey. Oh, turkey. What sound does a turkey make? And the last one is a cat. What sound does a cat make? Meow. Well done. These are all of the farm animals. Good job. Let's have a look. Ooh. Okay, shall we move on to wild animals? Yes? Okay, let's get started. Wild animals. Ooh. Elephant. Wow, look at the elephant. Isn't it amazing? Elephants are really big, and elephants are the largest land mammal. Yes, it's the biggest animal that walks on the planet. Snake. Ooh, a snake. A snake has no arms and no legs. What's next? Gorilla. Gorillas are very big and strong and they beat on their chest like this. Gorilla. Eagle. Wow. Eagles are big, strong birds. Sloth. Oh, wow. Sloths, they move very slow. And if you go to Costa Rica, you can see them very high in the trees, just chilling. Panda. Pandas love to play. Lion. Big lions. Male lions have a lot of hair around their head, and that's called a mane. Zebra. Ooh. Zebras have stripes on their body. Giraffe. Wow. Giraffes are the tallest land mammal. It's the tallest animal. Monkey. Cheeky, cheeky monkey. There's loads of different types of monkeys and they love to eat bananas. Well done, wild animals. So we've done the farm animals, we've done the wild animals, and now it's time to do sea creatures. Ooh, what's under the sea? Under the sea. Shark! Ah! Sharks. Octopus. Hi, octopus. Octopuses have 8 tentacles. Yes. You see all the tentacles? Seahorse. Oh, the seahorse looks so cute. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. They can sting you with their tentacles. You gotta be very careful if you're around a jellyfish. Whale. Wow. A blue whale is the largest sea creature. Dolphin! Oh! Dolphin! Hi, dolphin! Starfish! Starfish! I love starfishes. Fish! There's so many different types of fishes. So many different types of fishes. Seal! Can you see the seal? And the last one is a sea lion. Amazing. Well done. We finished the farm animals, then the wild animals, and now we've just done the sea creatures. Good job. Ooh, wrong way. Well done! I'll make another video and we'll do food, toys, insects and bugs. We will definitely do colours as well. Now, I hope you have an amazing day and repeat after me. I am great. I am strong. I am smart. I am powerful. I am special. Good job. Well done, because you are all of those things. See you soon. Bye.